I had a video a few weeks back and I talked about if you can't find Eagle Rare, then you can find these other bottles as well, right? So what I have in front of me is a pour of Eagle Rare plus all those other bottles. And I have a guest today that's going to join me, and he's going to taste all these and he's going to rank them. He doesn't know what is what, and we'll see how he does. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today we are doing a fun blind comparing if you can't get Eagle Rare, I mentioned some other bottles you can get, and we're going to try them all today. So I have a guest. My guest is Ricky. Come on in, sir. How you doing, bud?
How's it going?
Good. So you don't know what we're doing because you decided, hey, you want to do a video with me. And
That's right.
And we've been talking about this for a long time. And then when you said, I can do it today, I said, hey, I got a plan for you. I got a plan. So this is the plan.
All right.
Have you ever had Eagle Rare?
No, I have not.
All right. Now, I know you drink some whiskey, but you're not a big whiskey drinker. So when you drink whiskey, what's your whiskey of choice?
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker. Okay, so this is not even close because these are bourbons, right?
Of course.
But you said you wanted to try more bourbons. And I think you mentioned to me a while back, you do like makers.
Yes, I do.
Makers are somewhere in here. That's the only hint I'm giving you.
Okay.
Only hint.
Okay.
So what we're doing is Eagle Rare is so a little history on Eagle Rare for me is this is actually the bottle that got me into drinking whiskey. When I first tried the Eagle Rare neat, it was the first time I ever enjoyed a whiskey.
Okay.
And so Eagle Rare is somewhat hard to find. It's getting a little bit easier, a little bit, but it's still pretty hard to find. So I did a video saying, well, if you can't find this, these are all things that are on the shelf. They're a lot easier to find. All right. So the goal today is Eagle Rare is actually in here, but I want you to taste each one. We're not going to have to finish them. I want you to be able to drive after this, right?
Yeah, because I'm going to be like...
yeah. So we're going to have you taste all of them. And then what we're going to do, I'm just going to have you taste each one just a little bit. And then after that, we're going to pause it. We're going to go through them again. You're going to cleanse your palate between each one, and you're going to rank them for me. All right? And we're going to see, does Eagle Rare come out on top? Does it come out last, you know?
All right.
So do these really compare is what we're trying to do. And with somebody who's not a big whiskey drinker. So that's why I think it's a perfect challenge for you. Even though it's not really a challenge, just to see what happens with this. So
okay.
Are you ready to try this?
I'm ready to try it. But before that, a little off topic.
Yeah.
I'm kind of jelly on the beard.
Yeah. Well, I see you
right?
trying to.
Yeah. I'm trying to let it grow out.
Yeah. It's good, looking good, though. I haven't seen it in a bit, so it's looking good.
I'm just trying to get it long. I think this is the longest I've ever had.
I think I was actually going to say that. Right now when you were coming on, I was like, his beard looks longer than usual. So,
yeah.
So I agree. What we're going to do, I'm going to switch sides with you just so you can have a little bit more room. And then you're going to start from, well, you can start anywhere you want. They're mixed up. There's no particular order for this.
Okay.
And so let's get started.
Sounds good.
Yeah. A lot of times I do, like with the first round, I just start from one side to the other side and make sure I cover them. And then after that, we'll, as I said, we'll pause it and we'll kind of go through it. We'll fast forward through it as you're kind of tasting and ranking them. So.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I like the number 3. So I'm going to start with the third one.
Okay, go ahead.
So
sounds good.
RG3, third one. Let's do it.
Yeah. What I'm going to do is separate them a little bit for you just so you have a little bit of room between them.
Whoa. That's good. That's strong. I like that one.
Yeah. So as you're drinking them, I'm kind of going to say Eagle Rare is a 10-year age bourbon. It is, I believe, 90 proof. It used to be 100 proof, but I think they 90 proofer. So it's not a very high proof. So all these are kind of in that same range.
Okay, I like that one.
Yeah,
I had to take 2 sips on that one.
Well, you're just gonna sip through all, and then we're gonna rank them.
All right, then we'll go 1.
All right.
Okay. I do not like this one.
No.
That's
interesting. Okay, I don't know what they are because I poured them and I mixed them, so I don't know what is what right now.
That one I don't know. It didn't
hit you. Didn't hit you.
No.
So right now that's probably your last, huh?
That's probably my last.
Okay.
The third one, believe it or not, I like it.
Well, it's also your number, so.
Okay, interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
See, I like that, and you have to remember sometimes by the way you taste them, the one from the before can affect it. So that's why when we go back through this, you're gonna cleanse your palate between each one and kind of get a better taste and rank them.
That one's like smoother. I don't know how to explain it. I like it.
Okay.
So far, I'm like that. That one was nope, and this one's like seldom.
I like that you're already ranking them. I like that you're already thinking ahead.
Okay, actually, I like this one too. Put it right there.
But right there. Huh?
And last one. Oh, wow. Okay, I like it.
You like it.
Yes. Like it. So these are probably like my
your 2 favorites right now.
2 favorites right now, as of right now.
Yeah.
This one, for some reason, it didn't settle well. This one it's doable. Like I would drink it, but these are so far
So these are the top, these are the second top, and then kind of going towards
I would say like top, mid-tier. This one I did not like. And this one is like second to last.
Okay. All right. So we're going to pause the video and then we'll go fast forward through it and we'll come back and we'll have his rankings.
Sounds good.
All right, so up to this point, he had no clue what he was drinking. I right now just moved the bottles up. He still doesn't really know what's what yet, but he has ranked them. So we're going to go from last to first, okay? So I have the key right here, which he didn't know was right under his nose the whole time. Unreal. So for last was D. D was his last. Russell 10, wow. Russell 10 is really a nice, good, excellent pour, but it wasn't his palate today. So Russell 10, I didn't expect it to be that low. And then as we said, this was Redwood Empire, was B. So it's just the regular Redwood Empire.
Okay.
Now we have the top four. The top four here. This is his fourth. So fourth is C. C is the Makers. So he likes Makers, but this is Makers 46. So it's not quite the regular Makers.
Because I like the regular one.
Yeah, and this 46 adds, it's a French stave in there, so it adds a little bit of sweetness to it as well.
Got it.
Number 3, E. E is E.H. Taylor. So E for E.H. Taylor. Wow. So the interesting thing is that means in here you have a choice between Eagle Rare and Buffalo Trace. So that's interesting. Buffalo Trace is probably the least expensive of all this. Easiest to find out of all this. So this could be your winner. We'll see.
I don't know.
So let's just go with the winner first. Let's see who's his winner. F. Buffalo Trace.
Interesting.
Buffalo Trace is his winner. So his second place was E.H. Taylor. And when he was talking about the Eagle Rare is his second place. When he was talking about Eagle Rare, he said it was smooth. And a lot of people think it is smooth, especially for that first pour. And I think that smoothness is kind of what got me that first time. And that's how I ranked it. So,
to be honest, I mean, that's first, second, right? But I would say 1A and 1B.
1A, 1B, what do you mean?
I mean, because I like them both. And I don't know if you, heard me. I said interesting. And I was actually going to switch my pick.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I like this one the most.
Yeah. So, this is from this distillery.
Is that right?
I believe they're the same mash bill.
Okay.
This one's just 10 years. This one's younger. So that's why they're very similar to you, because they're very much the same except for the age on there.
Interesting.
Yeah. So, but this is easy to find here. You can go pick this up. I think it's $30.
Okay.
So you can find that. Now you know what you like to sip on, and you can do that. One fun thing I like to always do at the end, since you like these two, let's mix them and see if one tastes better. Like when you mix them, do you think that's a little bit better?
Like an experiment.
Yeah. I would like to mix them. Sometimes it makes it better. Sometimes it doesn't. So we're adding a little bit of age to that already, that flavor that you like. So
my wife actually calls me Experiment 626. She has me saved on my phone like that. So funny.
That's what's his name?
Stitch.
Stitch.
Experiment 626.
And it was Stitch Day not that long ago.
Actually, combining both, that's legit.
Next level. Next level.
Legit. All right. That's it.
Yeah, there you go. So there you go. We did the experiment. Somebody who doesn't really drink a bourbon very often. His thing is more Johnny Walker. Yeah. And he's a Makers fan, so his Makers didn't come out on top. I'm surprised that it was the Russell's 10 that was actually on the bottom, so that was a surprise for me. And then when it came down to the top two, I didn't know which one was which, but we had the Eagle Rare and the Buffalo Trace left, so I thought, pretty interesting. The one that I'm saying is hard to get and the one that's easy to get, and he chose the one that was easiest. So there you go, guys. It just proves that sometimes you can go find something that's a lot easier to find on the shelf and enjoy it as well. So, well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my bourbon rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends.
Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Exactly. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.